And now we will go to assumptions in financial statements. Pinakauna ay fair presentation in compliance with IFRS or yung tinatawag natin na reporting standard. Ayan. So, fair presentation requires a faithful representation of the effects of transactions, other events, and conditions in accordance with the definition and recognition criteria for assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. So, dito sa faithful representation or yung tinatawag natin na fair presentation, kailangan in presenting a financial statement, it should be, sabi dito, no more, no less. So, walang dagdag, walang bawas, and it should follow the prescribed standards applicable with it. Next ay yung tinatawag natin na going concern. Going concern assumptions means that the accounting entity is viewed as continuing in operation indefinitely in the absence of evidence to the contrary. So, ibig sabihin nito, when putting up a business, ang nasa mindset ng isang nagbi-business ay tuloy-tuloy lang ang kanyang kumpanya at hindi siya magsasara. So, yan. Next ay tinatawag natin na accrual basis. When you say accrual basis, sabi dito, revenue is recognized when earned regardless of when cash is received. So, ibig sabihin nito, nire-record mo na agad yung revenue mo kahit hindi ka pa nakaka-receive ng cash. And so, gaya din sa expenses. Sabi dito, expense is recognized when incurred regardless of when cash is paid. Gaya ng, for example na lang ay sa mga kuryente natin. So, na-incur mo muna siya bago mo siya bayaran, but you are recording it as an expense already. Yan, so materiality and aggregation. An item is material if knowledge of it would affect the decision of the informed users of financial statement. So, ayan. Material ang isang bagay kung it would affect the decision of the users of financial statement. Next ay yung tinatawag natin na offsetting. An entity shall not offset assets and liabilities or income and expenses unless required or permitted by the standard. So, ano nga ba yung mga required or permitted by the standard? So, example nito ay meron tayong tinatawag na bank overdraft, which is a liability. Pero pwede mo siyang i-offset against asset if it is in the same bank. Yan. Frequency of reporting. An entity shall present a complete set of financial statements at least annually. So, ayan. When using calendar year, kailangan it ends in December 31. So, ano nga ba yung required na gumamit ng calendar year? Or sino nga ba yung required na gumamit ng calendar year? So, individual taxpayers are required in using calendar year. Pero sa mga companies, ay pwede silang gumamit ng fiscal year. Ayan, ang fiscal year naman ay financial statement ending at any month of the year. Next ay comparative information. Ang minimum na pinapresent natin ay at least tagdadalawa, 2 statement of financial position, 2 statement of profit or loss or income statement, 2 cash flow, 2 statement of changes in equity, and related notes. So, for example, kaya nga siya comparative for December 31, 2019 at December 31, 2020. So, magkatabi siya. Yan, consistency of preparation or presentation. The principle of consistency requires that the accounting methods and practices shall be applied on a uniform basis from period to period. So, ibig sabihin nito, kung ano yung ginamit mo sa previous year in reporting or in presentation, ganun din dapat yung gagamitin mo in this year at sa mga future years pa natin. So, for example na lang ay when presenting depreciation expense. So, kung gagamit ka ng straight line or gumamit ka ng straight line sa previous year mo, ay kailangan straight line din yung gamitin mo in your future and present year. So, consistency of presentation. So, yan lang po ang overview natin for financial statements. God bless.